वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स। ਹੁਣ तक ਆਪਾਂ जिन्ने भी डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स पढ़े all those were linear data structures, but today we will start with non-linear data structures. And first of all we will see the first data structure, tree. Let's go to its definition. A tree is a non-linear data structure mainly used to represent data containing hierarchical relationship between elements. And in hierarchical data we have ancestor, descendant, superior, subordinate, whole, part or similar relationship among data elements. And a journal tree T is defined as a finite non-empty set of elements such that there is a special node at the highest level of hierarchy that is called its root, and the remaining elements, if any, are partitioned into disjoint sets T1, T2, T3 up to Tn, where each of these sets is a tree, as T1 is also a tree, T2 is also a tree, and called the subtree of the main tree T. Or we can say, in other words, one may define a tree as a collection of nodes and each node is connected to another node through a branch. The nodes are connected in such a way that there are no loops in the tree and there is a distinguished node called the root of the tree. This one is an example of tree. It is a tree T with 18 nodes. Here it is the root node. This one is the T1 subtree, this one is the T2 subtree, and this one is the T3 subtree. And all those three T1, T2 and T3 subtrees are the subtrees of this tree T. This is the total tree T. Now come to its terminology. First terminology is parent node. If n is a node in T with left successor S1 and right successor S2, right? Successor means its child nodes, right? Then n is called father or parent of S1 and S2. Similarly, S1 is called left child of n and S2 is called the right child of n. And the child node is also called the descendant of the node n. Next terminology is siblings. The child nodes with same parent are called siblings. And next is level of element. Each node in tree is assigned a level number. By definition, root of the tree is at level 0. Its children, if any exist, are at level 1. Their children, if any exist, are at level 2 and so on. Thus, a node is assigned a level number 1 more than the level number of its parent. Now, depth or height of a tree. The height or depth of tree is maximum number of nodes in a branch. It is 1 more than the maximum level number, right? You can define height as the 1 more than the maximum level number of the tree if you already know about level. Then degree of an element. The degree of a node in a tree is the number of children it has. And the degree of leaf node, leaf means that is the last node in a tree at the last level. The degree of that node is 0. Then degree of tree, the degree of a tree is the maximum degree of its nodes, right? Then edge, line drawn from a node n of T to a successor is called an edge. That means the line that joins the two nodes with each other, that is called edge. Then path, a sequence of edges is called an path. This time to see, suppose we are starting from n1, n2, n5 and n14. This one is a path starting from n1 and ending at n14. Then leaf, a terminal node of a tree is called leaf node. Terminal node, that means which is the, it is called leaf node. Then next is branch. Path ending in a leaf is called branch of the tree. Just like अगर आप n1 तो स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं और ये एंड हो रहा है n14 या n15 या इन पंजों नोड से जो किसी ऊपर भी, या इवन n8 n9 और N6 तो लेके N13 तक, बिकॉज ऑल दीज आर लीफ नोड्स। तो ये वाले जिन्ने भी पाथ्स ने N1 N2 N5 N14 और N1 N2 N5 N15 etc., all these are called branches because these ends in the leaf nodes. So the most common form of tree maintained in computer is called binary tree. And a binary tree is defined as a finite set of elements called nodes such that either T is empty, also called null tree or empty tree, or T contains a distinguished node R called root of T, and remaining nodes of T form an ordered pair of disjoint binary trees as T1 and T2. And these two trees T1 and T2 are called respectively left and right subtree of R. R is the root node of T. If T1 is non-empty, then its root is called left successor of R. Similarly, if T2 is non-empty, then its root is called right successor of R. R is the root of the tree, right? As there is an example, A is the root node. This one is the T1, total this one is the T1, and B is the left successor of A because B is the root of the left successor, and similarly right successor of A is the C here. The nodes D, F, G, L, K, all these are the terminal nodes, or you can say leaf nodes. Next is properties of binary trees, right? Each node of a binary tree T can have at most 2 children. Thus at level R of T there can be at most 2 raised to power R nodes, right? अगर तुसी level ਨੂੰ R मान के चल रहे हो ਤਾਂ 2 raised to power R nodes ने ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਉਹ maximum हो सकतीਆਂ ਨੇ, right, in your binary tree. The number of nodes in a tree for given number of levels in a tree. If n is the given number of levels, then there will be maximum number of nodes. It can be 2 raised to power n minus 1. Now, depth of a tree T with n nodes is given by dn equals to log base 2n plus 1. Next is complete binary tree. A binary tree T is said to be complete if all its levels except possibly the last have maximum number of possible nodes, and if all the nodes at last level appear as far left as possible, then this is called a unique complete tree T with exactly n nodes. Mean that ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਕ ਬਾਈਨਰੀ ਟਰੀ ਗਿਵਨ ਹੈ, ਰਾਈਟ, ਉਸ ਤੇ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਲਾਸਟ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲੈਵਲ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੈਵਲਸ ਐਗਜ਼ਿਸਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਟਰੀ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਮੈਕਸਿਮਮ ਨੰਬਰ ਆਫ ਪੋਸੀਬਲ ਨੋਡਸ ਨੇ, ਰਾਈਟ, ਮੀਨਸ ਉਹਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਇੱਕ ਵੀ ਨੋਡ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮਿਸਿੰਗ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਇੱਕ ਵੀ ਚਾਈਲਡ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਸ ਲੈਵਲ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਅਦਰ ਲੈਵਲਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਐਕਸੈਪਟ ਦੀ ਲਾਸਟ, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲਾਸਟ ਟਰਮੀਨਲ ਨੋਡ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ, ਜਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ टर्मिनल नहीं, यू कैन से कि उसके अंदर जिन्नियां भी जो भी तोड़े चाइल्ड नोड ने उस लेवल दे ऊपर वो सारे दे सारे मैक्सिमम नंबर ने, मीनस ਉਹਦੇ अंदर कोई भी रिलैक्सेशन नहीं है. एंड इफ ऑल द नोड्स एट लास्ट लेवल, और उस तो बाद जो लास्ट लेवल दे ऊपर जिन्ने भी अपने कोल नोड्स एग्जिस्ट कर रही ने वो सारियां दे सारियां की ने मैक्सिमम नोड्स जिहड़ी लास्ट नोड आ रही है दैट इज ऑन द लेफ्ट चाइल्ड. So that will be called a unique complete tree with exactly n nodes. And now next is extended binary trees, 2 trees, or a binary tree is said to be a 2 tree or an extended binary tree if each node n has either 0 or 2 children. In such a case, nodes with 2 children are called internal nodes and nodes with 0 child are called external nodes. And the external and internal nodes are distinguished diagrammatically by using circles for internal nodes and squares for external nodes. Thank you. Have a nice day.